What I'm taking away from what you're saying is if that's all we're requiring of AI, we're leaving a huge amount of opportunity on the table. And is that a good takeaway, or and how would you reframe that or explain that?
I'll give you an example from a developer standpoint, right? There's one way to look at it. We can deliver the same amount of features, but with AI, instead of having 5 developers, we can keep 1 developer. Whereas somebody else would say, with AI, now I can keep my 5 developers. And if I train them to use AI properly, I will deliver much more features. I can be a team of 25. So that's the question. Like, where do you want to take it? If this is all about optimizing something, it may well be that some existing automation solutions would work for you, or some cost saving by procuring stuff or whatever. So there could be other ways to optimize just for efficiency. And that's where also like you can evaluate value. If you're only looking for the buck, then there is no transformation here. It's just like a cost saving process.